Hey YouTube, it's your boy Nas aka Supreme, and I'm back with another YouTube video. If you guys want to see how I got this look, you know, the nice flayed edges, you know, they laid for the gods or whatever. And, you know, this nice little pineapple, little updo, you know, when your braid out, twist outs, getting old, you know, throw them up real quick. Wash and goes too. Yeah, so just stay tuned. We're about to get into it. So first I'll be starting on a 2-day-old wash and go, and I'm just going to list the products that you'll guys need for this. You'll need some Eco Styling Gel. The next thing you're going to need is some brushes. A hair pick. And a hair tie. And then a mascara brush or wand. And I didn't show it in the video, and some type of scarf or head wrap. So first what you're going to want to do is put your hair in a pineapple. For those who don't know, a pineapple is simply just pulling your hair towards the front. It kind of stretches out your curls a little bit, and it's a nice way to go to bed. Y'all, my hair literally looks disgusting, and this is one reason why I came up with this style, just because it kind of eliminates like looking at most of it, and it's very cute, you know. So you want to take your Eco Styling Gel. So now you want to start applying this to the front part of your head, and you're just gonna go ahead and work that into your hair. Now you can go in with your brush and just go ahead and start slicking it all back. And I know what you're saying, Nas, wait, what about the baby hairs? We'll get there, so just go ahead and slick everything back first. You can also put a little bit of gel on the back of your head. I mean, I don't really have a lot of hair there, so it doesn't really matter. Now this is my secret to laying my baby hairs or my edges. A mascara brush, and you're just going to want to start pulling out those baby hairs. This was one reason why you wanted to slick your hair back first, just because it makes it a little bit easier to see where the baby hairs are and for them to form. So you guys, this was actually really hard to do in the viewfinder, so I actually had to like do it a couple of times. Laying your edges is a really tricky thing, you know, so you really want to do a L-shaped pattern or like even a C. It's kind of hard to explain, but hopefully you guys can just watch me and then try to attempt it yourself. Another thing with doing your baby hairs, you want to kind of make them frame your face for this style. It makes it look a lot cuter, and you know, it's going to take some time, you guys, so just keep practicing. If you don't like it, do it over, add more gel or even water if you feel like you're adding too much gel, but yeah. So for this style, what you really want to do is kind of frame your face with your baby hairs. So whatever you do on one side, you want to do on the other. Just try to make it as symmetrical as possible. I know it's hard, but it really pays off for the finished look. So now that you got that all done, all you want to do is take a scarf and put them on your baby hairs just to lay them down, and you're going to leave this on there for about 10 minutes. And so y'all know I'm extra, so I just went ahead and added another scarf on top of this just to make sure they're really secured and fastened down. You know what I'm saying? Like, buckle your seatbelt. Edges are about to be laid. So after me fooling around a bit, 10 minutes passing, taking a couple selfies, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off, and as you guys can see, my baby hairs are laid for the gods. So the next thing you're going to want to do is take your cloth, headband, or scarf, and you're just going to want to wrap this around your hair, avoiding your edges. Now, the thing about this is a lot of people ask me, where did I get this from? I got it in my grandmother's closet. I actually have a dashiki that matched this, and we were going to Cancun, and she was like, I have something that matches that. So she went in the closet and she got it for me, and I was just like, oh yes, this matched perfect. And then I just kept it ever since, and it's really cute. Now it's really just a thin piece of cloth, so if you guys want, I'm pretty sure you guys can just make one yourselves. It doesn't seem too hard. Now you're just going to want to tie it in the front, and then this is going to be the finished look. Now you're looking cute, babes. Like, look at me looking all cute. Just might want to go ahead and fluff out your pineapple a little bit, you know, get it in a nice little shape and whatnot. Now you're looking good, baby girl. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll be back with weekly videos. We're trying to stick to that, y'all, so yes.